What is up, everybody? My name is Frostbite Gaming G. Today, welcome back to War Thunder. I know I just made another video on this, but I mean, like, I'm just reading into this game right now, so we're gonna go ahead and keep playing. Anyways, let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright. Alright, let's go ahead and get our artillery gun here. Our little half track. Tank destroyer, whatever you want to call it. I love these guys, but I don't like how they just seem to just negate all armor with them. This is like every time I get one of these, it's like they just figured, hey, let's not add any armor to this tank, to this massive weapon. Going in. Going in. Boom, bitch. Fuck. Oh man. Yeah, the funky looking gun, guys. You can okay. Time for the M4A3. Here we go. Hey. Man, come on. Yay. Ooh! Check out his gun. Mm-hmm. 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 Where was the Stuke 3 shooting from? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I'll give him that. That was a good shot. That was a good shot. Okay. And now to do air support. An effort to try and get kill points. Ah, there we go. There we go. Quit. Gotta quit. Gotta quit. Boom. There we go. There we go. Oh god. Oh god, the gunners are down. Gunners are down. Come on. Come on. Get him back. Get him back. Get him back. Turn that bitch. Come on. Turn it. Turn it. Turn it. Turn it. Turn it. Turn it. Shoot hard. Shoot hard. Yes. Gotta quit. Gotta quit. Ooh, they are hurting now, baby. Gotta quit. Gotta quit. Gotta quit. He's down for the count. No, wait. Miles away. Replenish the crew. Replenish the crew. Replenish the crew. No! Oh. Alright. Alright. We're gonna go ahead and cut to the next match here. Go ahead and cut to the next match. Hello to whoever just joined the stream. In case you don't know. In case you don't know, I'm recording in this for a YouTube video. If you're interested, the channel is Frostbite Gaming Jr. I'll double check to make sure the link is connected to my Twitch, so if you want you can go subscribe. Oh yeah, just follow me over here too. How it works. Alright, back into it. God, I'm getting a lot of these just 1 point maps, and I'm honestly kinda tired of it. Flying over just 1 point. Yeah, the weird looking half track. Yeah. Oh, of course he dies right as I'm about to shoot him. Oh, come on. Of course. We get knocked out by artillery. Lab 3 and 43. Ah, gotta quit. Gotta quit. Just got critted. Let's see if we can't kill him. Yes, there we go. Flew knocked out. Perfect. Oh god. Move out of the way. Ooh. Boom. Oh, we got the gunner. We got the gunner with that. That's like back up, back up. Back the fuck up. Oh god. Artillery. Artillery. Come on now. It's such a risk moving up. Come on. Come on. Out of the way, flat car. Or whatever kind of rail car you used to be. Boom. Oh, that's what I call a lucky shot. No matter if you're lucky, it was like a fucking ATAS thing, but still. That's a good shot. That was a good shot. Alright, well, that was a fun match. Pretty good. That was a really good match. That'd be one of my better ones. Alright. Go ahead and cut to the next one. Ooh, hold on. Okay, new tank. Oh, that's right, a new tank destroyer. I forgot I was researching this. Okay. Go ahead and put you in this slot. Yes, cheese crew. Okay. Alright, let's see. Yeah, let's go for the new one of these. Okay. Go ahead and get that. Get us more engine power. Sure. Research artillery support. Alright, bada bing, bada boom. Let's get into it. Alright, and we are back into it. Go for B here, because literally everyone else is going to be. Holy Christ, this guy is so slow. Well, at least he has a secondary gun now. That's great, that's great. Come on. And that's the tree. Tremendous. I should have gone for C. That would have been funner. Come on. Keep it going. Keep it going. Mm-hmm. 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 No, Ricochet, you kidding me? Are you kidding me? How? Oh my god. Wonderful. Just wonderful. First time using the tank and we die immediately. Alright. Come on. Let's go ahead and head over to head over to sea. God, this sand is making it difficult to move. Come on out. Come on, pick up some speed. God, it's sand. That sand makes it so difficult to move. My God. Why is it so difficult to move? Jesus Christ! The hell shot us? Oh God! Turn the gun! Turn the gun! Turn the gun! Oh wait, I can turn the whole tank. What am I doing? Oh God! Guns down! The guns down! Oh no! Oh, what? God, son of a... God, this game is just complete luck, I swear to God. Like, there's no good or bad at this game. You're either lucky or fucking unlucky. Boom. Easy kill. Alright, come on, come on. There he is. Come on, shoot him. Oh, got a crit. Oh, he's dead. He's dead. Dead. Oh, okay, and we're dead. Tremendous. Jesus Christ, we got flipped. Oh my god. Alright, and we are back. I had to leave to fucking go get dinners. Which I know y'all don't care about, but for me, it means I'm going to edit a cut out a whole bunch of footage we just seen idle. Let's head on down here. I mean, come on here. Come on. Alright. I think I'm probably gonna play like 5 more matches because I have to edit like 2 videos. I have to edit this and my other video before I release them. Oh, come on, no penetration. How did I... No, come on. Maybe we shoot it down. Maybe we shoot it to the side. No penetration. Oh, come on. Come on, no damage? Jesus, that was stupid. Oh boy. Turn back, go back, go back, go back. Turn that gun, turn that gun, turn the gun. Come on. Yeah. Go for A, go for A. Come on. Mm. Mm. Where? Where did that shot come from? Jesus. Game of pure luck, I swear to God. You gotta quit. There we go. He's down. Oh, he's falling. He is down for the count. And he's dead. Okay. Take this moment to do a fat 180 with this guy. Okay, boom. Come on, any more? Where's the enemy fighters?
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
Come on, where's all the fighters? Drop it like right here.
The artillery is on the position. Roger that. Confirming fire.
Oh man. Right.
Keep it up. The victory will be ours.
Of course, there just has to be no fighters. Giving me absolutely boring gameplay. What? We're gonna shoot this guy for fun. And again, there's no. Why is no one on that team doing anything? What? Also, where is that noise coming from? Great. Great. Exhilarating gameplay. Oh man. Oh wow. So much fun. Oh man. And we are back. Alright. Let's get in there. Oh man, come on.
We've captured most of the strategic zones. Most of the zones are under control.
Oh, come on. Got this guy. This guy.
Another zone
Good.
captured. We have the
Very yawny. We're not gonna be able to shoot him. Alright, come on. Give us some speed. Get in there.
We have most of the zones.
Oh, you kidding me? Oh my god, after all that maneuvering, this guy shoots me point blank and manages to completely destroy me. Oh my god. Alright. That's great. That's really great. Come on. There we go. Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. Gotta hit, gotta hit. Ooh, he's on fire. He's going down. He's dead. Yeah, there we go.
Just a little more effort, and victory will surely be ours. Enemy forces have captured a zone. Allied forces have captured a zone.
And he's dead. Right.
Another zone captured, we have the advantage.
Mm. Alright. Yep. And with that, I'm gonna go ahead and leave this video here. Make sure y'all like and subscribe if you like the video. You wanna see this stuff live, feel free to go follow me over on Twitch. And yeah. I'll see you all next time.